Hi guys, I wanted to show you a donation sent in by Tina's Messy Crafty Life here on YouTube, and she sent them in for the Christmas bingo prizes. So let's see how many we have. I have not opened them, guys, because as you know they're going to be wrapped. So we have 1, 2. That goes in this bag. I took it out. Alright, you saw this one. 2. Maybe I'll switch the bag. She sent some stickers that I'm going to count as 3 and 4, but I will add to something else. Or is it? No, they're just, you can cut them out and use them. 5. 6, 7, 8. I really like that journal. I looked at it. 9, 10. So she has covered 1 week of October. Hold on, this goes with that journal. 11. Tina, are these my bags I made, or did you make some just like mine? Curious. 12, and I haven't even looked at everything to see what everything is. 13, 14, 15, 16. Oh no, everything fell out of the bag. Ooh, wow, she put some nice stuff in here. What number am I on, 16 or 17? I think 16. I'm not recounting. 17, 18, 19, and 20. Then she included all these special pins that can go with some of the journals that are being donated. And she has covered 2 whole weeks of bingo by herself. And it says, Kathy, I hope this was okay to use the bags you made. Okay, that I won to make the prizes for bingo. Thanks, Tina M. And look at her look where she used to write her note on. How creative. But yes, absolutely, Tina. I'm glad you did. But many of us I have to make to wrap things in, because what I'm trying to do is wrap something and wrap everything in something that can be reused in crafting. So Tina has covered 2 weeks of prizes. These 2 will probably go with the stickers and some pins and something else. And I do appreciate it so much, Tina. And if you guys saw her bags that she sent in before, you know that there are some goodies in these bags. But I'm not going to show them because they're supposed to be surprises now. So everything's supposed to be wrapped when shown. I have some decorative tissue paper. What I may do is I'm going to do a count on everything that's been sent in for bingo prizes, and then, you know, let you know how many more we're going to need to cover all the weeks if anybody wants to donate. So I do appreciate all your donations, guys, and thank you so much. And thank you, Tina. Now that I have my question to the bags, because I was thinking, well, they look like the ones I made. Alright, bye, guys.